Stacey Solomon showed off her incredible makeover of Joe Swash's man cave after spray painting the vintage cupboards blue. The Loose Women presenter, 32, moved into Pickle Cottage in April 2021 and has been busying transforming it into her dream home. The DIY queen loves to share progress on her Instagram account. In recent weeks she's shown off her amazing living room transformation, given her garden shed lick a paint and finished decorating her daughter Rose's pink nursery. Last night Stacey told her 4.9 meters followers that she was going to be painting the Cluedo room, which is Joe's games room. Today she showed the end result. The mom of four shared a video of her painting the doors of her oak cupboards with a spray painting gun. She said, "So I decided to get the units sprayed in the Cluedo room because they're beautiful units, so rather jazz them up than change them, and hand painting would have took me forever. So I got a proper spray painter at Steve.Hope Decorating to do it, and he let me get involved and really helped me learn how to use it and do it myself so that I can invest in a paint sprayer for future Pickle Cottage projects." Stacey then went on to show a before video of the room before the makeover. She said, "I honestly can't believe the difference. How it started." And then she posted footage of the room with grey cupboards and new flooring with the song A Whole New World from Aladdin. The TV star confessed, "It's so much better, I'm so pleased." Hours before Stacey jokingly threatened to call off her wedding to Joe after he dropped his trousers to dry his bum by the fire. The TV presenter, 39, was left sodden after baby daughter Rose had a wee and so took to the family's roaring fire to dry. Stacey giggled as she reminded him they had a tumble dryer. She wrote over the video, "Sometimes I do question whether I should go ahead with our wedding." Stacey and Joe met back in 2010 and started dating 6 years later. They share 2 kids together, Rex, 2, and baby Rose. Stacey is also mom to Layden, 9, and Zachary, 13, from previous relationships. Joe is also dad to Harry, 14, who he shares with Emma Sophocleus, 35. The couple got engaged in December 2020.